Production and Labour. We also have Comrade Silas Chimbiro. He's our National Secretary for Security. The one that is speaking, my name is Tendai Chirao. I'm the National Secretary for Administration. We also have Comrade Bosha Tonderai. He's the National Secretary for Indigenization and Empowerment. We also have our Deputy Secretary for Youth Affairs, Comrade Louis Matutu, who is also here. Then to give us the press briefing today is our Secretary for Youth Affairs, Comrade Upurai Chogarepi. We also have our members of our affiliate organizations, the Local Trust, National Youth Service, Children of War Veterans. We welcome new members of the media. So let me, at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, give this opportunity to our National Secretary for Youth Affairs, Comrade Chogarepi, to issue this press statement. Thank you very much. Over to you, Comrade.
Thank you very much. Welcome, members of the press. ZANU-PF Youth League, we are here to issue a statement. As you may be aware, all of you, that there are confirmed and unconfirmed statements that are coming out in the media, on social media, that there will be some elements in the opposition who will be running a demonstration. There are also messages that have been circulating of the modus operandi, how they are going to do their demonstrations. They claim that they would want to remove ZANU-PF from power. They would not leave the streets. I'm telling you here and now that the ZANU-PF Youth League is going to be there, vigilant, active, prepared to defend the revolution. We are not going to allow any nonsense. We are prepared to defend our party, our democracy, our peace, the freedom of our people to go about their business without interference. So, those who want to demonstrate, it's enshrined in the Constitution that they can demonstrate. But for those who give threats that they will harm people, they would want to change government through demonstration, through anarchy, we will be there waiting for them. We are going to defend the revolution. We are going to defend our democracy. We went to an election and the results were declared. Some decided to go to court and the courts gave us a verdict. And for them now to want to come through the back door, through violence, through demonstrations, they should know that we are not going to stand akimbo. We are not going to be just looking at them. We will defend our win. We will defend it. They should know that we are going to win against any adversary. Our numbers should remind them. Our determination should remind them. We are not going to allow anybody to tamper with the freedom, with the peace that is prevailing in this country. So, whoever, whether in his normal senses, or insane, or drunk, would want to do anything that will harm our peace, we have our same constitution allows us to defend ourselves, allows us, in the event of we are violated, we have a right to self-defense. So we'll be there. And through this statement, I'm telling the youth, ZANU-PF Youth League members throughout the country, all progressive youth, peaceful and peace-loving youth throughout this country, to defend the peace that we enjoy, to ensure that they are not taken advantage of, they are not used by people who are desperate, people who are being sponsored. We know very well they've hired thugs, non-thugs, soldiers of fortune from all over the world to try and effect regime change in Zimbabwe. And I'm telling them now, this is not going to be a walk in the park or a piece of cake. No. Those who want to lead or to rule this country, 2023 is coming. Wait for your chance, campaign, tell people what you can offer them. They will vote for you. And if you win, will not interfere with your win until the following election. But for those who would want to interfere with our democracy, those who would want to see Zimbabwe in turmoil, we are here to defend our people. We cannot be lied to that they are going to be peaceful. When we had property destroyed by the same people, we cannot be taken for a ride and think that they have changed in these few months. We are not going to look at that and expect them to be priests now when we know that they are thugs in general. Job Scala was there. He said he was going to remove our president. That's their song today on Twitter, on WhatsApp, on Facebook. That's their song. And we cannot wait for them always to have the first move. No. Let them be warned and warned now that we are there to defend the democracy. Those who have mistaken ideas that Zimbabwe can be turned into another Syria, Libya, Rwanda of the yesteryears, they should know that the people of Zimbabwe, ZANU-PF Youth League and progressive youth throughout the country will defend Zimbabwe, will never allow Zimbabwe to slide into chaos while we watch. There is a lot of progress in this country today. The economy is improving. Efforts are being done by our government to ensure that people's lives improve. But we have people, the same people, who go out there looking for sanctions. Then claim that Zimbabwe is not doing well, the ruling party is not doing well, after they have asked for sanctions to derail our economic progress. We cannot allow that. That they have it all. It can't be. We will not accept. This time around, tinosangana pakuyambuka. Tinosangana. We will not allow them to kill policemen. They killed our policemen. They burned vehicles, destroyed people's shops. They attack even our soldiers.
Even journalists.
They have also beaten journalists, some of you here. You have scars that you remember for the rest of your lives from the same people. And yet, if you decide, you then write that they are going to be peaceful people. They have failed the test. They are criminals. And we will not allow criminals to roam our streets. So I tell you today that the ZANU-PF Youth League, we are ready. We have been watching what was happening in the environment, and we know very well that they are inviting us, and the only thing that can stop any misunderstanding with anybody in the political sphere is for us to respect the Constitution, to respect our democracy. Taenda kuma election, kana unenge awina tomuremekedza tose, tomupa mukana wokutungamirira nyika, wokuvaka economy, wokuvaka ma-social lives edu, wokuita zvese zvaanofanira kuita. 5 years dzapera, toti wakonewa kana akonewa. Ini ndokwanisa kuita better. Woenda unoudza vanhu izvozvo. Vanhu vakusarudza. Isu tose tinokugamuchira, ndiwo wasarudzwa navanhu. Kusazvida kana kuzvida ndiwo unenge wasarudzwa. But kana tasarudzwa, remekedza. Ukafunga kuti unoda kutisundidzira kuti tibve uchishandisa demonstrations, uchishandisa ma-sanctions, uchishandisa uipi hwese hwaunoda kushandisa, isu tingokutarisa chete nemhaka yekuti kune freedom to demonstrate. Unonyepa. You should know that we are prepared to defend the revolution, and this revolution will be defended, and if you make a mistake, it will be defended in style. I thank you.
Thank you very much, Comrade Chogarepi. At this juncture, if there are any questions which is only restricted to the address, you are welcome to do as such, but you raise your hand, but we also need to know your name and the media house that you're coming from. Yes, Comrade.
Okay, my name is Raymond Jama from Simon Post. I want to ask, do you think that the MDC has the capacity to cause a total closure or to cause an anarchy here in Zimbabwe? Do you think that they have that capacity? Or it's just those media reports or social media reports?
Vanopavana musombodia, vakapisa matogets, vakavhara marodzi, vachitema navanhu, vanenge vari vashoma, asi violence ichipotsera matombo anowanda. Saka they may disturb life, they may disturb peace. Saka isi hativabvumiri, hativamiriri kuti vatange vati disturb, tozomezha kuti vabudirira here kana kuti havana. Tinotongosangana ikoko, isu tichidzivirira pfuma yavanhu, mabuildings avanhu, vanozviitira basa ravo, vanozvida kuzviindira kubasa, vanoda kutengesa pamusika, kuti vasakanganiswa basa ravo. Iyo vanodemonstrata kana vane kwavanenge vachidemonstratera, isu tinenge tiripo tichiona kuti zvinoitwa hazvitiparadzei. Kana zvichitiparadza, tinoita kuti zvistope. And tinozvistop. And we have the capacity to do that.
All right. Any other question? I think that being said, is there anything else to be?
No, not really. It's safe to say, vamunangagwa vanorandwa navanhu vakavhotera kuti vatogaratisa vati vanokuvavhotera. MDC Alliance ainavhotera vamunangagwa. Saka hatitarisi kuti vavade, asi tototarisa kuti varemekedze constitution, vatende kutongwa navamunangagwa ndo vari kutonga. Ndo zvatichavabetsera kuti vazvizive. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.